The truck does have a 1-inch drop in the rear, so it's sitting level. So it's a 1-inch drop from stock height in the rear only. And the helper sprays just barely sit over the axle tubes. This is a 18-foot trailer and about a 3,000-pound car. That's how it looks like. That's how it looks with the Timbren helper springs. The truck does ride a little harsh on bumpy roads. So if you have stock height, you'd be fine. You wouldn't really feel anything. But since I have a 1-inch drop in the rear, the springs are pretty much touching the axle tubes. So the truck does ride a little harsh on bumpy roads. Kind of rides like a Honda, lowered Honda. But when you're making corners, it doesn't feel like a truck. It actually handles pretty good around turns. So I don't mind them, I can take it. But for some people it might not be. I probably wouldn't recommend it because it does ride a little harsh. But if you don't mind it, then the truck does handle better with the helper springs. And as you can see, it supports the weight pretty good. So especially when you're pulling a car.